It's Christmas time. And with that comes shopping for gifts. And if you have a car lover in your family that you're shopping for, here are a few gift ideas that I think you may like. So let's jump into it. First on the list is microfiber cloths. They are essential for anybody who loves cars. They are used for a lot of different jobs, from drying your car after a car wash, to wiping down the interior, to cleaning the engine bay of oil or any other type of fluids. They come in all kind of colors, all kind of sizes. This one's used for to wipe down the whole car, different textures, different thicknesses, but they're definitely an essential part. But you can never have enough of the microfiber cleaning cloths. And if you're feeling extra generous, you can give a nice wheel cleaner, as well as a nice tire shine, and definitely a leather cleaner and conditioner. Next on the list, we have universal socket. This one tool is amazing. For anybody who has ever worked on a car, choosing the right socket size sometimes can be as much work as the job itself. And there is usually always one missing. With this universal socket, you eliminate the search and reduce the time to complete the task. With this one tool, you can remove a variety of bolts using the 54 individual spring-loaded pins that adjust accordingly to the bolt that is being removed. It works on sizes 7mm to 19mm and comes with an adapter, this right here, to plug into your drill or even your impact gun, if you have one that can accommodate this adapter. So let me show you a few examples of it in action. As you see here, you have different variety of bolt sizes. You actually have a hook screw here. Even if you have an eyelet screw, you can use that too, and this will accommodate for it. So here is our smallest nut. As you can see, is clearly different size than this, but putting this in the inside here, you can see how it conforms to the pins. There you have it. All right, so let's try a bigger size. Here you have a old bolt. Let's see if that'll work as well. The lug nut, that can even fit on here, as long as it's under 19mm. So this one is 17, as you see there, snug. And as you can see, when you put this on there, it conforms to the actual shape of the bolt. And then we have our hook. You can see that it's latching on. So there you have it. Universal socket is definitely a great gift. Next on the list is a underhood work light. Lighting, sometimes overlooked but rarely not needed when working on your car. Engine bay or underneath the car has a ton of dark areas that require a good light source, even if working outside on a sunny day. With the Nico work light, you will never be left in the dark again. Nighttime, no problem. You still have plenty of light to get the job done. This work light is pretty cool. It has 1,200 looms powered by 202 LED bulbs. It has 2 brightness modes. It has a rechargeable battery with 3 hours of runtime on high mode or 6 hours on low mode. It's impact resistant, so if you hit it up against stuff, it shouldn't break that easily. It's resistant, not shatterproof, and it's also weather resistant. So if you get a little bit of mist on it, it won't go bad. The all-steel holding tube that telescopes between 47 inches and 76 inches. That way you can put it on any type of hood. So the sides come out on both sides, and then the sides here are foamed and they're cushy. That way when you hook it onto your hood or anywhere on your car, it will not scratch it or damage it. And as a bonus, you have 2 magnetic clips. So this bar actually comes out. Pull here, and on the other side it comes off of the holder. Then you can attach it to these clamps here, and they are magnetic. with the magnets that allows for lighting in cramped and awkward workspaces. Next on the list, we have something that I think is really cool, and that is a dash cam. So a dash cam is a really cool product. I have really enjoyed my dash cam since I installed it a few months ago. I have a video on the review. If you want to check that out, I have it up at the top of the screen there. I have a Rexing version 5 4K dash cam with the interior cam as well as the rear and the main unit. It has a screen on the back. It really is a nice unit, small footprint, nothing too major. You can take it off and on, slides on and off like that. You can leave this on the windshield if you wanted to. You can use this camera as kind of an insurance policy in case you got into an accident. You have some type of evidence that will show your side of the story, so it's not just word of mouth. Even use this as a recording device to record your mountain runs or spirited driving escapades, similar to how you would use an action camera. And the last thing for my 2020 Christmas gift list for car lovers is a Milwaukee 3/8 inch power ratchet. One of the most recent tools that I've purchased myself, and trust me, it's been worth every penny. It hasn't let me down thus far. When working on cars, there's a lot of instances where you have to use a ratchet, with some situations requiring a lot of muscle to loosen up the bolts. And most times this is in areas where you have limited space and you don't have really good leverage. And here is where the power ratchet comes into play. With its cordless design and small head size, you can access a lot of these hard to reach spots, and that saves you time as well as muscle, and most importantly, your knuckles. So this particular one is the M12 Fuel. It's the 3/8 ratchet. This one is a little bit more powerful than some of the other ones. They do have less powerful ones, but I recommend get this one. It has 55 foot-pounds of torque output. It's only 2.8 pounds. It has a rechargeable battery, 12 volts, and this is a metal design, and it uses a 3/8 inch. It has light indicators, and it has a light. That way you can really see what you're bolted into. So this is definitely a must for the car lover that work on their car, work on their engine, work on brakes, or anything like that. This is a must. Any of these products that I've shown are great products. I truly personally love them all, and I'm sure the car lover in your life will love them as well. And if you are the car lover, get them for yourself. I have the link to the products in the description down below. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, as well as click that subscribe button. Give me a little jingle bell action. Click that notification bell. That way you don't miss out on any future videos. And until next time, I'm out. Happy holidays.